Hi, I'm Mari Frank, attorney mediator and host of the radio show Fighting for Love, Turn Conflict into Collaboration. And I'm giving a series of tips for you to have a loving marriage or a loving relationship. I've been with my husband now this year, 30 years, and I've been doing divorce for 33 years, helping clients to come to a point of mutual gain, mutual satisfaction, and sometimes even getting back together. But most of the time, they're dissolving the marriage, and I can see what works and what doesn't work. So let me give you a couple tips. This is an easy one. When you're speaking with your spouse or your girlfriend or boyfriend, you're going to say something that is going to push their buttons, right? It always happens. So just remember, when you want to use the word you, if you use something positive, it's going to escalate the love and the connection. So if I say, "You're amazing, you're so creative, you're wonderful, thank you, you are just a doll for taking out the garbage," or you're just really wonderful for helping me with this, or picking me up when I know that you had other things to do. So you with something positive escalates the connection. You with something negative escalates the conflict. So if I say, "Gosh, you're so lazy," or "Boy, you do nothing to help me," or "You're just sitting there on your computer, or on your phone playing games. You need to be doing this." Anytime you say you with something negative, it's going to cause conflict. Anytime you say you with something positive, it's going to cause connection. So just a nice tip. Remember, it's easy peasy. Have a wonderful love.